Kumusta na kayo? I'm back after about a month and let's continue with Learn Tagalog. And we're still with Tagalog verbs. And tonight, let's have 5 Tagalog verbs and let's have examples. And let's have examples for each on either the future, present, or past tense. So, let's start. For our first one, let's have the root Sally. Sally. Or sa English, join. And it is an verb. Sasali, sumasali, sumali. But, let's have an example in the present tense. In the future tense, sasali. Sasali sina Angel at Jan ng eating contest sa plaza next week. Sasali sina Angel at Jan ng eating contest sa plaza next week. And for our second one, our root ay dala. 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 Bring. Let's have an example in the future tense. Magdadala si Ana ng pagkain bukas para sa mga katrabaho niya. Magdadala si Ana ng pagkain bukas para sa mga katrabaho niya. Or you could just say it in Taglish. Magdadala si Ana ng pagkain bukas para sa mga co-workers niya. Magdadala si Ana ng pagkain bukas para sa mga katrabaho niya. And for our third one, let's have the root hugas. Hugas. And hugas is used when you are referring to dishwashing or hand washing. But if you are referring to washing of clothes or doing the laundry, that would be laba. And if you mean washing your face, that would be hilamos. But on this example, let's use hugas referring to dishwashing. And let's have an example in the present tense. Let's have naghuhugas si auntie ng mga pinggan sa kusina. Let's say it again. Naghuhugas si auntie ng mga pinggan sa kusina. So, we have our verb, present tense, naghuhugas, and our subject or doer, auntie, si auntie, and our object, ng mga pinggan, and we have our extension, place, sa kusina, in the kitchen. Naghuhugas si auntie ng mga pinggan sa kusina. At para sa ating pangapat, and for our fourth one, let's have the root, sira. Sira. And let's have an example in verb past tense. Sinira ng bagyo ang mga halaman sa bukid. Sinira ng bagyo ang mga halaman sa bukid. Sinira ng bagyo ang mga halaman sa bukid. Last one for tonight, hug. Yakap. That's our root, yakap. Yakap. And that's another in verb. Let's have an example in the past tense. Niyakap ni Kara si Mara. 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 Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. And see you again on the next video. Bye! Good night!